la 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 la. Fireworks! Oh, lots of fireworks. Well, let's just get opening them. Oh wait, let me show you that again. Let's get opening these fireworks. Hi guys, it's me again, your YouTuber Kason, and I want to show you all of the fireworks that me and my mommy got. So let me show you all. I want to show you all of them. So the first one I want to show you, almost my favorite one, the Neon Force. Yeah, Neon Force. This is where you fuse it. Just put it right there. And this is nothing. And we got Morning Glories. We got two. And we got Purple Rain. We got the Killer Bee. Yeah, the Killer Bee. Because with Killer Bees on it. Guess that's a Killer Bee. And my mom got so many lightning flashes. So many. We got we have another Purple Rain. We got Poppets. My mommy and I already used the first pack of it. And finally, last but not least, we got the Crackling Cactus. Yeah, the Crackling Cactus. So that's all the fireworks we got, guys. So make sure that you thumbs up this video, you give it a subscribe, and yep, don't forget to thumbs up. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.